Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel ABCS Preparation Site. So guys, today I bring courses which are related to the computer science and IT field, and these courses are totally free, and the certification also provide free for these courses. And these courses provided by the top Australian university, UK university and US university. So I collect 10 courses for all of you guys, so you can go through these 10 courses and enroll in this course and learn it, and also earn the certificate for these courses without any paying a single amount. So now we'll move on to the course content. First I will tell you the course's name, then I will show you the demo for how to enroll for the courses, and the link for the courses I will provide on the description part, so you can go through the link. So now we'll move on to the content. So our first course is computer programming for everyone, and that is 2-week duration. And this course is provided by University of Leeds and Institute of Coding. The same things will be content for the another course, that is creating a great user experience for mobile app. The same content, same duration and the same universities. So now move on to the next. So our third course is create a professional online presence. That is also a 2-week duration course, and the university is also same as the previous one. So now move on to the next course, that is the introduction to indie game, and that is the video game industries that will help to develop the skills to kick-start your career in this sector. And this course is provided by UAL, Creative Computing Institute and Institute of Coding. This course is also 2-week duration course. So our next course is Introduction to Virtual, Augmented and the Mixed Reality course. It is also 2-week duration course and provided by University Lancaster University and Institute of Coding. So our next course is Learn to Code for the Web. That is provided by University of Leeds and Institute of Coding, and the course duration is 2 weeks. So our next course is Creating App in the Classroom. It is also a 2-week duration course, and the university is Queensland University of Technology. It is one of the top university of Australia. So now move on to the next course, that is Introduction to Physical Computing, and it is also a 2-week duration course provided by University Lancaster University and Institute of Coding. So next course is Introduction to UX and Accessible Design. It is also 2-week duration course and provided by University UAL, Creative Computing Institute and Institute of Coding. And our last course for this video is how to create great online content. That is provided by University of Leeds and Institute of Coding. So these are the 10 courses that are available totally free with free certification. So now I will move on to the how to enroll for this course. See here, I open the one course, that is the computer programming for everyone, which is provided by University of Leeds, Institute of Coding. Now I will show you how you enroll for this course. See the other information provided here, you can go through it and take the information. See here, now click on the join now. After that it can ask for registration. See here, you can register by using your Facebook ID, or simply put your first name, last name, age, email address and choose a password. Create a password as you're comfortable and select these options and click on the register option. Then your ID will be created. So I already have account on this website, that's why I go to the sign in option. See here, email ID and password is already filled up, so I will go to the sign in option, click on it. After that this page will be open. See here, you can go to the course. See here, after that the course will be started. You can play the video and view the transcript also if you don't understand, and you can download the video also on standard or HD form. This is the content of the chapter. You can read it, and after that scroll down, then don't forget to click mark as complete. See here, after clicking on it, it will be tick mark zone. So don't forget to mark as complete, because it is count as the percent of content you completed. And for getting the certificate, 90% course will be complete, and it will count if you click on mark as complete after reading the content, watching the video, and then you can move on to the next page. See here, after that you can follow the same step. After reading these all content, you can go to the mark as complete and select it. See here, I already mark one page as completed. See my progress. See here, click on it. See here, 2% course is completed, and here 2.18, it is the quiz that you have to be pass. You have to score minimum 70% on the test that are available on the courses, and scoring minimum 70% on the test and completing the 90% of the syllabus, you will get the notification here. Click on the notification, then you will get the certificate option. It is shown here, and you can continue get the certificate. After that, you can check your activity that you comment, like here 2-week course is there. So in this way you can enroll for this course, study this course, complete this course, and get the certificate for these courses. Follow the same instruction for the remaining courses, and you can get the certificate for these courses also, and for other courses also. So guys, this was only for today, and if you need any information, please comment below down. And if you like the video, please click on like button, and if you new to our channel, please click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you will not miss the update of upcoming videos. Till then, goodbye, take care, have a good day. Thank you guys so much for watching our video, and please subscribe our channel, like and share this video, and please support us. Thank you so much for watching this. Bye, take care.